Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make ramen in the microwave. First, select a microwave-safe bowl that can comfortably hold at least 2 cups of liquid. Unwrap your instant ramen package, setting aside the seasoning packet for later. It's also a good idea to ensure your microwave is clean and working well for the best cooking results. This simple preparation sets the stage for a delicious and quick meal. Now, let's get those noodles cooking perfectly. Place the ramen noodles into your chosen microwave-safe bowl. Carefully pour in about 2 cups of water, making sure the noodles are completely submerged. Then, microwave on high for approximately 3 to 5 minutes. Keep an eye on them. You want the noodles to be tender, but not mushy. This step is key to achieving that ideal ramen texture. Once your noodles are cooked, it's time to infuse them with incredible flavor. Carefully remove the hot bowl from the microwave, perhaps using oven mitts for safety. Now, stir in the seasoning packet that came with your instant ramen until it's fully dissolved. For an extra layer of taste, you might consider adding a dash of soy sauce or a few drops of sesame oil. This really elevates the dish. Your delicious microwave ramen is almost ready to enjoy. After stirring, let it sit for just 1 minute. This allows all those wonderful flavors to truly meld together. If you're feeling fancy, garnish your ramen with some fresh chopped green onions or even a soft-boiled egg. Serve it immediately and savor your quick, easy, and satisfying homemade ramen. Enjoy every slurp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.